Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some great fuel efficiency as well, and coming with a new look inside and out, looking very sleek. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you do have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle there, with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet. And the seats can also be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And this truck does have a remote start, so you don't have to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And then looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, pedals, and your mirrors. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here with a nice fully digital cluster. You have your trip 1 and 2 information, your eco behavior, auto start stop status, your driver assistance settings, and fuel economy. And you can also exit out of that and go into your truck info, where you have your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, seat belts, and driver assistance again. Then you have your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left side of the steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth compatible. So you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, your favorite screen, much like My View, so that you can have all of these at hand where you want them, when you want them. You have your whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your truck, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then moving down, or actually moving up from that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view for the front and 360, and hazards and traction control shut off. Do also have a premium B&O Audio System in this truck, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, as well as your drive mode selector. And it's going to yell at us about fuel, but you have slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and then on the other end you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. And then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this button up here to open the compartment above your glove box for more storage. Then down here you open this up and you have a USB and USB-C, as well as a slot for your phone while it's charging. And moving on to your main shifter, which does have select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can be collapsed, so you have more open space here, nothing in the way. And then you have 2 cup holders, of course, and your lockable center compartment / armrest here, which is very spacious, has a removable tray, and another USB and USB-C inside. And then last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.